Today, we're going to explore why VW Group bought the truck brand Scania, and how it was a game-changing strategy. In 2008, Volkswagen took control of Scania, acquiring the Wallenberg family's stake in the Swedish truck company for $5.37 billion, setting the stage for a merger with MAN, creating the European market leader. Later, in 2014, they bought the last of Scania's shares on the stock exchange, and Scania became a wholly owned subsidiary of the Volkswagen Group. But why did Volkswagen pursue this ambitious move? Well, there were several driving factors, so let's look at them. The MAN truck and bus did face financial struggles before the Volkswagen Group acquired Scania. In the years leading up to the acquisition, MAN experienced some financial difficulties, including declining profitability and need for restructuring. The acquisition of Scania was seen as a strategic move to strengthen both Scania and MAN and create a European market leader in the commercial vehicle industry. By bringing together the resources and expertise of the two brands, Volkswagen aimed to enhance their competitive position and address the challenges faced by MAN. Now, they had over 28 production and assembly sites worldwide, with over 100,000 employees. They were able to minimize production costs by consolidating operations, sharing resources, and leveraging economies of scale. Volkswagen could optimize their supply chains and achieve significant cost savings. Since then, the production of the different brands has become more and more merged, and in 2027, there will only be a difference between the cab of an MAN and a Scania, as they will share the same engines, gearboxes, and total undercarriage. But it was not only because of the production cost VW Group decided to buy Scania. Instead of investing massive amounts of money, they were now able to tap into Scania's very diverse portfolio of broad engine ranges, unique features, and technologies. Scania's premium brand positioning and unique features, such as its V8 engines, were likely attractive to Volkswagen Group. This acquisition enabled the group to have a presence in the premium segment of the commercial vehicle market, catering to customers seeking high-quality, performance-oriented vehicles. The V8 engines, known for their power and distinctive sound, added to Scania's appeal and differentiated its offerings from competitors. Scania has been at the forefront of engine technologies in various areas, including the development of advanced diesel engines, hybrid powertrains, and electric engines. This includes Europe's only V8 engine on the market, the massive Scania 770 horsepower V8 engine, which are known for their exceptional power and distinctive sound. Scania's V8 engines offer high torque and performance, making them well suited for heavy-duty applications. But also, Scania's hybrid powertrains, electric engines, and biofuel engines. Furthermore, Scania's long history in the European market, dating back to 1891, has allowed the brand to establish a strong reputation and heritage. Over the years, Scania has consistently delivered high-quality vehicles and maintained a strong presence in Europe, earning the trust and loyalty of customers. In 2018, the Traton Group was formed, and later, in 2021, the American truck brand Navistar merged. So, the Traton Group now includes the brands Scania, MAN, Navistar, and Volkswagen Truck and Bus. By integrating these brands, the Traton Group aims to leverage their individual strengths, expertise, and market presence to create a more comprehensive and competitive commercial vehicle portfolio. The collaboration within the group enables sharing of technologies, resources, and synergies, resulting in increased efficiency and innovation. Today, the company has a sales revenue of 40 billion euros, over 100,000 employees, and have sold more than 305,000 vehicles in 2022. So, by adding a brand with such a good reputation, product, technology, and facilities saved them from financial decline to now flourish. And that concludes our video on why the Volkswagen Group purchased Scania. This game-changing strategy enabled Volkswagen to expand their market presence, strengthen their brand identity, minimize production costs, and leverage Scania's unique features and technologies. It's an example of how strategic acquisitions can shape the automotive industry. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. As always, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.